Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to set time on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel confused because the time on your cell phone is not matched with the time on your area, don't need to be worried guys, because you can easily change your time on your cell phone. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial on how to set the time on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your cell phone, and then after that now you can scroll down and go to additional settings over here. And then after that now you can go to date and time, and then after that to change the date and time, now you can turn off the set time automatically, and now you can change the time that match to your area, and then so yeah, the time will change immediately. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.